Founded in 1984, Chroma ATE Incorporated, marketed under the brand name Chroma, is a world-leading provider of test and measurement technology, automation integration, intelligent manufacturing system, and test and automation turnkey solutions. Over the last decades, Chroma has grown significantly into Chroma Group, covering semiconductor and wireless testing, automation, AI, EV powertrain, and digital signage. Now, there are 9 major companies under Chroma Group operating worldwide, exceeding 3,000 employees. Chroma's market focus has evolved with global technology trends. We began in the IT industry and progressed to semiconductor and communication test solutions. When green energy became an issue, our test applications expanded to clean tech industries. We've since entered new markets for AI, advanced packaging, energy storage, and life science, where the growth opportunities lie ahead. Significant markets served by Chroma include semiconductors, photonics and LED, photovoltaics, video and color, flat panel display, power electronics, passive component, electrical safety, green battery, electric vehicle, thermoelectrics, automated optical inspection, and intelligent manufacturing system for ICT and clean tech industries. Chroma's vision is to empower future technologies for a better world. We believe in the truth of measurements and the trust of partnerships. Using the most advanced solutions, we test and measure the quality of clients' products with the ambition of making them better, more effective, and ultimately thriving in the marketplace. By delivering truth in constructive, open, and trusted partnerships, we enable the development of innovative products for the betterment of society and the world. Chroma enables quality innovation at every step with reliable solutions. We have developed more than 100 core technologies that serve as cornerstones for new technology development, with more than 1,000 patents worldwide. Chroma nurtures its brand as one of innovation, collaboration, and trustworthiness to ensure the performance, quality, and success of technology industries. With continuous leadership in high power and high precision technologies, Chroma gains its competitive advantages. Chroma's performance has been recognized with several honors and awards, including Best Mid-Cap Company, Distinguished Taiwan Mittelstand Award, Distinguished Enterprise Innovation Award, Harvard Business Review Taiwan Top 100 Best Performing CEOs, Semi-Industry Contribution Award, and Top 40 Best Taiwan Global Brands. Chroma has branch offices in Europe, the United States, Japan, Korea, China, and Southeast Asia, where we support customers with local value-added service and unique test and automation turnkey solutions in the fields of e-mobility, communication, and green energy, making our everyday life greener and smarter, now and in the future. Chroma, advancing excellence.